In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Cursor AI IDE on Mac. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Cursor. We'll be having the official link cursor.com. Just click it. And here we are having the download for Mac option. Click it and just click on save. The download will be getting started. It is around 238 MB in size, so just be patient. These are the pricing that they have. The hobby or the free plan, which comes with a lot of limits, and they're having 3 individual plans and a team plan and an enterprise plan. For the individual plan of Pro, it comes with $20 per month. Pro Plus, it's $60 per month, and Ultra comes around $200 per month. So if you go with yearly, it kind of gets reduced. Okay, so the download is complete. Let's just open it, drop it inside applications. Just go to apps and search for Cursor, open it. We'll be getting the Cursor interface. If you're already having an account, log in, else just click on sign up. You will be directed to the browser, so just sign in. We will be getting the agent section of Cursor. To the rightmost top, we'll be having the editor window. Just click it. We can add the plugins later. I will just click on skip, and that's it. We are inside Cursor. So if you are already having any project, you can open it. If you don't have, just click on new project and just select the folder in your desired location. I will just click on new folder and I'll just have this as the name. Click on create and I'll just click on create project here. If you want to go to settings, click on this cursor settings, cursor settings, and here you will be having an option to do multiple things like plan and usage, agents, plugins. We're having so much of stuff. You can get the plugin that you want over here, and tools and MCP. So much of stuff going on here. You can just go through it. So for now, I will just go and give a prompt. I'm saying create me an amazing login screen in HTML and CSS. So it has created 2 files. One is index.html and another one is style.css. You can just like click and see the code over here, and you will be getting this much larger view. And click on the styles.css, same thing. So I will just close it for now and click on keep all. So this is the output that we have got, and wow, this just looks amazing. I just gave a one-line prompt and how amazing that it looks, the color gradient and the icons and everything. So that's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.